unpredictability factor as well, because it was telegraphed very early. Who is the call? Do they have the strength? No is the call. Williams wins the race this time. Lovely piece of out-off. And taken and dropped. A sitter. Who is the culprit?
Bigger.
6. That's gone. Great strike from Babar Azem. Wrong length, wrong line. Probably still reeling from the drop chance. Look away, Height. Look away, please. Big shot inside our drive. A cracker from Rizwan. It goes all the way, I think. And if it has, it is some shot. Such a difficult angle to create against a left armour.
Hi, Jele, just looking for
Oh, bad ball, bad start, gone for 4. Not been able to break
a lot. And it goes up in the air. Tried to go the maximum again. Is it going to fall short? And it does just that. Everything going
under the ball. Easy shot this time. That's gone for 6. Babar Azem is making it ridiculously easy. As if it's child's play. This target of over 200. In the world, currently, best ODI batsman, and what a knock. Take a bow, Babar Azem. He's cracked a great 100 here. Massive hitting.